All right, so I wanted to give you a little update on how the confessional project's coming. This is um, working in the in my folks' basement. So I got it little. You can see here. Got the little window. The little window. Uh, we got our little window here. And then I get my little, it still needs a roof. But I'm gonna, the plan is to pop this sucker right into the window opening. So it should work out, I think, pretty well. So I'll update you once I get it in there. I'm hoping that I'll be up and running either Wednesday. I'm hoping maybe tomorrow. But we'll see. If not tomorrow, then Thursday. Should be good. So, hope you're all well. Know my prayers. Talk to you soon.